Kamusta guys? Ngayong araw samahan niyo ako mag-react sa bandang Sweet Notes. Ito yung kanilang tugtugan guys sa Talisay City, Cebu. Ayan, itong kantan to ay yung napakasikat na kanta, After All. Ayan guys, pakinggan natin kung paano mag-response yung mga kanilang fans dito sa kantang to. Intro pa lang guys, naghihiyawan yung mga tao, grabe. Ang dami talaga nilang tagahanga, no?
Well, here we are again.
Grabe guys, dinig na dinig ko sa headset yung mga sigawan ng mga tao nung pumasok ng kanta si BJ.
I guess it must be. We've tried on our own, but deep inside we've known we'll be back to something straight.
Grabe, ang lamig ng boses ni BJ dito guys. Yung mga magjojowa dito, kinikilig, nigurado.
Come on, sing with me. I still remember when.
Ayan na, pumasok na si Charlotte.
Your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats. Every step I take retreats.
Bagay na bagay sa kanila tong kantan to, no?
Every journey always brings me back to you. Talisay!
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts.
Kita nyo naman guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Kumakaway pa yung mga tao. Grabe, hanggang dulo. May mga nanonood. Ayan, oh, kahit gabi na, makikita mo guys yung kanilang mga cellphone nagliliwanag. Makita lang yung bandang Sweet Notes.
Too late to soon been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through,
It all comes down to me and you.
Mahirap na talaga itanggi yung kasikatan ng Sweet Notes guys. Talagang grabe. Ang dami nag-aabang sa kanila sa tingin sila'y tutugtog sa labas. Grabe. Yung tao talaga, napakarami na nanonood.
I guess it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all,
Katimbre din ni BJ yung ano, no? Vocalist ng Air Supply. Dito sa kanta na to.
When love is truly right,
this time is truly right.
it leads from here to you.
Original yata nito si Peter Cetera, guys.
It changes as it goes on.
Ang hilig talaga ni BJ, sumayaw nung sexy. Ayan guys, oh.
And on the way it grows,
Hindi niya
but
tinuloy.
it never disappears.
Everybody sing on.
After all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two angels who
Lahat ng tao guys nakatutok sa kanila yung cellphone, no? Grabe.
been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess
Ang taas ng boses talaga ni Charlotte.
it's meant to be forever, you and me. After all,
I was just beyond my touch. You know I needed you so much.
after all, what else is living for?
Maning-mani kay BJ tsaka kay Charlotte to. Yung bridge. Ang taas nito pero sa kanila grabe, simple lang.
Oh, after all the stops and starts, we keep coming back to these two hearts, two
Hindi kaya sila napapagod, ano? Halos araw-araw yata may gig sila, guys. Tsaka hindi sila, ano, yung katulad ng iba na uubusan ng boses. Grabe, ang daming reserba, no?
After all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be forever you and me. Sana all, sana all in love.
Sana all my partner.
Ang kulit nung patapos, eh, no? Seryoso yung nauna, tapos yung patapos medyo nilagyan nila ng konting comedy. Grabe, ang galing talaga nila mag-perform. Talagang kuha nila yung kiliti ng audience. Ayan guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa bandang Sweet Notes, alam ko naman guys, karamihan talaga sa inyo nakasubscribe sa kanilang channel. Sino pa naman ang hindi nakakilala sa kanila, no? Makikita mo sila sa lahat ng social media, pati sa Facebook. Ayan, nagkalat yung kanilang mga video doon guys. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe guys sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung mga ganitong klaseng video guys, mag-subscribe kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating reaction video. Antabi lang kayo guys, marami pa tayo i-react. Hindi lang sa bandang Sweet Notes, pati sa mga kapwa natin Pinoy na mga napaka-talented guys. Kita-kits ulit tayo sa mga sunod pang reaction video.